everyone. Welcome to my channel. I am Twinkle Shetia and my today's video is going to be about my curly hair routine and also the curl up products that I have recently purchased, and I honestly I've already used it and I like the products, so I thought I'll show it to you guys and share my views and review of the product. The curl up products which I have recently purchased. That was my phone, I'm sorry. So it's going to be about the curl up products that I've recently purchased. So I got it in a pack of 3 and there was some discount going on in the same. So I got it on sale for 1500 and it was a pack of 3. So it has a shampoo, a conditioner and a curl defining cream. I honestly love the packaging. It is so cute. It is shiny and lavender color. I honestly love it, and it has a good fragrance as well. So if you buy it individually, it costs around 500-600. If you just want to buy the shampoo or conditioner or the curl defining cream. It is sulfate, paraben and silicone free, which is great. A lot of people prefer products without sulfate and silicone. So if you're one of those people, this product is recommended. Honestly guys, I thought that this is a very reasonable product. Curl Up has reasonable products, and nowadays the curly hair products are very expensive. If you are a curly headed girl, then you know that they cost pretty much. So I found that in 1500 I think it was quite reasonable. And if you are someone who is looking for curly hair products in that range, this is definitely a product that you should try. So let's go and check out my routine. Let's go. Okay, that was lame. You can see my hair is super dry and also really curly. My hair has been this way all my life. So the thing I like to do first and foremost before washing my hair and going through the curly hair routine is I like to oil my hair, because I cannot think about washing my hair without oiling it first, as my hair is really dry. So I like to do is oil. So this is the oil I use. It's Arnika's homeopathic oil. So recently I have had a lot of hair fall and a lot of breakage. So someone suggested this homeopathic oil to me and I tried it. It works like wonders. My hair fall has really reduced a lot, and the way you use it is like you have to take 50% of this oil and 50% of coconut oil, and according to the quantity of oil your hair requires, and mix it in a bowl and apply it. So I start by applying the oil on my scalp and massage it for some time, and then divide my hair into sections and apply the oil throughout my hair. So usually when I have oiled my hair, I detangle my hair with my fingers, as I always find it easier to do it that way. Then I tie my hair into a braid and leave it in usually for a day, but today I'm going to leave it in for half an hour and then rinse it off. I have rinsed my hair after applying oil. Now I'm going to use the shampoo. The consistency of the Curl Up shampoo is quite flowy, so that's great. So I start applying it on my scalp and massage it fairly so that I can get rid of all the dirt from my scalp. Usually when I put oil in my hair and then I have to wash my hair, I have to wash it twice. But after using this Scala shampoo, I didn't have to do that. In one wash, my hair was clean. My scalp really feels clean, and overall, I think it's a great shampoo. So the Curl Up conditioner has argan oil, chia seeds extract. Um, so usually I like to take a good amount of conditioner for my hair. Sure, you apply it throughout your hair, and it's distributed evenly. I need a little more, and I'm done. The conditioner is really greasy and I really loved it. It has little bit of fragrance, which is good. I like fragrance in my shampoo, and it's really already giving moisture to my hair. I really like the conditioner. Make sure you're distributing the conditioner evenly on each strand of your hair. The few who like to detangle their hair after applying a conditioner. I usually detangle my hair after applying oil because I don't like to detangle my hair when it's wet, because there's a lot of hair fall and I don't like it. So I usually detangle it before, but you can always detangle it after applying the conditioners. A lot of people do that. I'll show you that how it works, and is the conditioner smooth and creamy enough to detangle your hair easily. So I have not completely detangled my hair while applying oil, so I'll do it right now for you all to see how it works. My hair is getting detangled quite easily, I must say. This also recommends to leave it in for 3 to 5 minutes and rinse it. I usually keep it for 5 minutes, so I am going to leave my conditioner in my hair for 5 minutes and then rinse it off and show you guys the results after that. And you can definitely use this as a leave-in conditioner. So when I wash my hair, I'm going to leave 30-40% of the conditioner in my hair as a leave-in conditioner, because I'm not using any other products except for the curl defining cream after this. So that is why I'm going to leave the 30-40% of the conditioner in my hair after I rinse it.
Few moments later.
Rinsed off the conditioner from my hair and my hair feels really soft, and there's a soft fragrance from my hair and I really like it. I like little fragrance on my hair, as I've already mentioned earlier. My hair is really soft and smooth. It's not greasy. You can definitely use this conditioner as a leave-in cream as well. Now we are going to use the curl defining cream, which has argan oil and flax seeds. So we're going to use the curl defining cream now. So let's go. I say let's go a lot. First I'm going to take this much and see how it works for my hair. I have already tried this earlier. I normally need to take it twice. It is different from every hair, so you can try what works out for you and how much quantity you require for your hair. So I'm going to rub it out and scrunch it, scrunch it, scrunch it. Remember, your hair should be really wet when you apply the curl defining cream. It gives a really nice texture to your hair when your hair is really wet. So I'll add little more water to my hair. I'm going to turn my hair. Take little less quantity this time. And scrunch. Now I'm going to turn my hair upside down and use a wide comb to comb my hair so that the curl defining cream is evenly distributed. I will spray some more water on my hair so that the curl defining cream is distributed evenly, and scrunch it once more, which will define the curls beautifully. Now I'm going to use a microfiber towel on my hair and then air dry it. I usually put on the microfiber towel for like 5 to 10 minutes and then air dry my hair. If you don't have a microfiber towel, then you can always use a cotton t-shirt and tie up your hair in the same manner. So this is a microfiber towel. It's available everywhere. It's very convenient when you wash your hair and you have a separate microfiber towel, and it also helps your hair from getting less frizzy. So I love this product. You guys can try it out if you have never tried it before. Now I'm going to wait for 5 to 10 minutes and then air dry my hair, and later on show you the results of this product and the overall review I feel I have on this product. So this is my hair after using the Curl Up products, and I love it. I pretty much like it. So as I was saying that I love the Curl Up product. As you can see, my curls are really defined, and I really like it, and my hair is not greasy at all, so that's a good thing, and it's really light and not greasy, and I really like the texture of my hair, and it's still soft. uh, so overall I really like the product. So guys, I hope you liked the video and it will be helpful to you, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more of me and such more videos, then go and subscribe to my channel. You won't be disappointed. So thank you guys for watching.